Gregor Johann Mendel, the founder of Mendel and its Piece, was a person of German ancestry living as a monk in Czech Republic. He was educated at the University of Vienna in Austria and conducted experiments between 1856 and 1863, utilizing garden peas within a small 5-acre plot on the monastery grounds of Abbey of St. Thomas. What is the story about Gregor Mendel and his green peas? Mendel discovered the basic principles of heredity through experiments in his monastery garden, as I said a while ago. His experiments showed that the inheritance of certain traits in a pea plant follows particular patterns, subsequently becoming the foundation of modern genetics and leading to the study of heredity. Peas have been cultivated for thousands of years, and archaeological evidence suggests they were a regular companion with wheat and barley. This crop's origin is thought to be the same as that of the cereals, being native to the Fertile Crescent, an area of the Middle East stretching from the Persian Gulf through modern-day southern Iraq, Syria, Lebanon, Jordan, Israel, and northern Egypt. While the crop may be ancient, it has played a pivotal role in the creation and development of the modern science of genetics. Peas. Some round and some wrinkled. Why? That's what Mendel asked. He noticed peas were always round or wrinkled, but never anything else. Seed shape was one of the traits Mendel studied in his first set of experiments. The 7 traits that Mendel studied in his pea plant experiments are seed shape, round and wrinkled, flower color, purple and white, seed color, yellow and green, pod shape, inflated and constricted, pod color, green and yellow, flower location, axial and terminal, plant size, tall and short. Mendel's first set of experiments. At first, Mendel experimented with just one characteristic at a time. He began with flower color. As shown in the picture, Mendel cross-pollinated purple and white flower parent plants. The parent plants in the experiments are referred to as the P for parent generation. F1 and F2 generations. The offspring of the P generation are called the F1 for filial or offspring generation. As you can see from the picture, all of the plants in the F1 generation had purple flowers. None of them had white flowers. Mendel wondered what had happened to the white flower characteristic. He assumed some type of inherited factor produces white flowers and some other inherited factors produces purple flowers. Did the white flower factor just disappear in the F1 generation? If so, then the offspring of the F1 generation, called the F2 generation, should have purple flower like their parents. To this prediction, Mendel allowed the F1 generation plants to self-pollinate. He was surprised by the results. Some of the F2 generation plants had white flowers. He studied hundreds of F2 generation plants, and for every 3 purple flower plants, there was an average of 1 white flowered plant.